Hi guys. Okay, so as you know, I'm a squishy scammer, and I have a new order. So let me just get the note. Let me get the note. Oh, it's over here. Okay. First is a iBloom lemon, pink lemon, which I have. This pink lemon, it's squishy, but it has rips right here from just me doing squishy dares with. Also, this been dipped in the toilet from a squishy dare, so she'll like it. And for packaging, anything in this bag. So let's just put it in. Okay. Next, she has creamy candy marshmallow, and it is jumbo, which I have a medium, but it's not even real. It's not even real, guys. It's not licensed at all either. It's squishy, but yeah. So let's just put it in here. It's a little bit. Okay, next is sweet squishies, and then I have this cat in the cup, pink. White, but I have a pink cat in the cup, but it's ripped, literally the head's off. But it's super squishy, but look at this. And the cup's ripping too. So she won't hate it. I don't know. Now I have a rare cupcake Hello Kitty cupcake jumbo squishy, and it's iBloom, which I have this Hello Kitty cupcake squishy. It is really ripped, and I have it ripped all around here and here. So it's pretty squishy, but it has rips everywhere, and it's not licensed. Okay, so she wanted a duck, jumbo, slow rising duck, and that is from iBloom, and it's jumbo, which I have this extra tiny duck, and look at this. It's so slow rising. Oh my god, guys. It's super slow rising. Oh, and the head's off, so she won't hate it. Now she wanted 2 jumbo peaches, iBloom, and slow rising, which I have these 2 extra small ones, which this one's, and this one is a little ripped, but this one's supposed to be Galaxy, and it's just a regular peach. It's pretty good. And then she wanted just a regular iBloom peach, which this one is ripped and it's small, so yeah. And there's extra rips inside it, and this has been in squishy dares as well, and it's been cut many times. Next is a Punimaro penguin, which I have that, but it's ripped on both feet, and it's not licensed. But it's pretty squishy. It's super squishy, guys. Everyone hates, and it's super ripped right here. I hate this kind of paint because it curls up and stuff. Oh, I forgot to put this peach in. It's Face Cream Pop, and it's licensed. Yep. I got that right. It has a weird texture to it. Yeah, it's just weird. Okay. I'm just gonna throw everything else in, guys. I don't want to waste time. Oh, one squishy fell. I'll get that. Just trying to fix this. Here it is. Okay, so wait. So I got all this ready. I have the note, so just fold it up, put it in the bag, and yeah. So let's go ship it.
Hey, what's up, guys? I just got a squishy package. This is from, I think it's called iBloom Squishier. I'll leave her link in the description below. So, the package I got came like a month, like today. It's been like a month, and it's in like really sloppy packaging. But I don't know. Maybe she just couldn't have any packaging. Alright, so it doesn't say like a note. It just says, well, it says my invoice, like on squishies I order, which I'm not really going to go through. And then it says then it says no refunds. Good luck. I don't get the good luck, but let's hope it's done. I'm not going to get that. Good package. First thing I pull out. Is this squishy. I think this is an extra because it's like defected. I did order a marshmallow gummy bear. Well, that doesn't really make sense, but that's what it's called. Or like a marshmallow bear, I don't remember. It sort of looks like it, but this isn't licensed. And I spent like $150 on this because all these squishies are supposed to be packaging and licensed stuff. Next thing is this cat burger. I'm hoping that's ugh, you see my head. Well, there's like this weird like printing on the back. Is this supposed to be my Jumbo Peach? Then is
Oh, did you? Oh, bye, sister.
bye. I didn't even get a Galaxy one. And it's ripped. Are you kidding me? Next thing is, this is definitely an extra because I didn't order anything like this. A little hole in the bum bum. Super slow rising, but that's a great extra. Then this chocolate the chocolate, I forget what these things are called, ice cream sandwiches, and the paint job's really bad, like, and there's a defect, and I'm pretty sure I've seen these at CVS, so. Is this supposed to be my, is this supposed to be my, I forget what these are called, but please tell me that's not it.
Sister? I just need to say that Mom is out getting Devin and Aiden.
Okay. Then this is a little face cream puff. Oh my gosh. Literally, you guys, it's licensed, but there's so many defects. And the tag's ripped. And all these are supposed to be in packaging. Is this my Punimaru Metallic Lemon? There's literally a chunk on the side gone. And, what is this? Oh my gosh! Doesn't even have a head! Ugh! Do you see this? This is supposed to be the Punimaru one. I've seen this at like Michael's. Is this my Sanrio? Is this my Sanrio Hello Kitty cupcake? Sanrio, it's not even. Do you see this? Ugh! And my regular sushi. Shotkin Squish Delish. What in the world? There's a cat head in here. And that's the one from the cat in the cup. Please tell me there's at least a cup for it. Look at it.
Sorry, guys, if you hear me laughing, I'm our sister recording.
Ah! Next one.
Dun, 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 dun.
Go. Where'd it go? Where'd the hat?
The cup.
Where'd the hat go? Perfect. Ah! My blueberry muffin isn't even a blueberry muffin.
It's a muffin.
Mom! Sorry.
And not to remind you, this was $3,000. Sorry, guys.
I think you ate too many tacos.
What?
I bloom. Are you kidding me? My eye bloom CVS cake. Oh, come on.
Keep on knocking down the camera.
All right. That was it. Thank you guys for watching.
Today, it was a video of me and Mia. Squishy scam.
That was Maddie farting, just to be clear.
You farted at once, too.
No, I didn't.
It wasn't me. Dun, 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 dun.
Was it you guys?
Let us know in the comments. Okay, guys.
Wait! I paid $10 for her farts. Peace out. Love you guys.
Bye.
M&M squishies.
Yeah.